Hello student, today we are going to draw this simple 2D drawing for beginner student. First we observe this drawing. This is horizontal 50, this is 50, this is horizontal dimension, this is vertical dimension 15, this is vertical dimension 25, total vertical height 70. First we on the ortho mode, click on ortho mode or press F8 key. Now we type line command L, enter. We draw this portion of the line. This is 25. Click any arbitrary point, click here and then press 25. This is 25, 25, enter. Now total height 70. This is 70, ortho on 70, enter. Actually we draw left portion of the center line. Now we draw horizontal line. This is 25, this is 25, 25, enter. Then vertical line, this is 15, 15, enter. Now this is 20. From this to this 25 and this to this point is 45. So this is 20, enter. Next vertical line, this is 25, 25, enter. Now click on this end point. Now enter. Okay. Now we off the shape mode. This is the shape mode. Click on here or press F3 key. Now click on this line and sketch this line. Horizontal, that means ortho on and O shape off. We sketch this line. Now we mirror this left portion. For mirror command we type MI, enter. Select object. We select the object, window selection, enter. Now specify first point of mirror line. This is first point of mirror line. We on the O shape mode, click on this point and specify second point of mirror line, this point. Now enter. Now we change this line. This line will be center line. For line type command we use shortcut command LT, enter. Line type manager dialog box appears. Click on load. Click the required center line. There are many center line. Click on any line and OK. Now there are two scale, global scale factor and current object scale. Current object scale always 1. Global scale factor we change for larger the dimension or size of the dimension may be lower. Now we can change this by typing 3, 6, 9, 12 in this way. Now we type 9. Click on OK. Now we select here the center line, this center line, and type L for line. First point, next point, enter. This is the center line. Now these are not visible clearly. Now we change the line type LT, enter. We change the global scale factor 9. This is changed to 12, type 12. Okay, now this is visible. Now change this center line. For change this we use match property command. Match property command shortcut MA, enter. Select source object, select destination object. Okay, escape. Now we change this current line, center line. Now change this by layer. Okay. Now we put the dimension. We put the horizontal and vertical, this horizontal and vertical dimension. For horizontal and vertical dimension we use linear dimension. Linear dimension shortcut DLI, enter. Specify first point, specify next point or second point, specify dimension line location. Okay. Again right click for repeat linear dimension, specify first point, specify next point, specify dimension line location. Again right click or type DLI for linear dimension, specify first point, specify next point or second point, specify dimension line location. This is the continue dimension. First we use linear dimension, DLI, enter, specify first point, specify next point, specify dimension line location. Now we use continue dimension command, continue dimension shortcut DCO, continue dimension shortcut command DCO, enter. Now specify second extension line, this is the second extension line, now enter. Now we put the total height, this is 70, this is also linear dimension. For linear dimension we type DLI, enter, specify first point, specify next point, specify dimension line location. Now our drawing is complete. It is clear, my student? Thank you.